Okay guys, just making a quick video on how I decided to mount the GoPro like a chin mount. Okay, because I don't feel like buying anything else, so it's on there. So what I did, I took the mount, the curvy one. Make sure you get the curvy one. Okay, I would show you, but it's already on there. I guess you take that, and then you take the extra tape that comes with it too. You know? Okay. So what I did was took the scissors and cut the edges. Boom. Like that, you know? Just cut the edges. This is what I'm left with. Okay? Alright. So what I did is I then put those pieces of tape onto here. Okay? Because this part, the middle part, is able to stick on there, but then the sides, they don't really stick on because the helmet has a curve, right? So this one's like but it's on there pretty good. Let me see. Alright, you can see it there. So the middle touches, but then the sides were. So that's what I did. Make sure I just held it on there for like a minute. You know, it's good enough. Shouldn't fall. It was pretty sturdy. Alright, so to make it like as low profile as possible. Okay. Not this one. Not this one that doesn't change direction. Not that one. Get the one that's like a little, like it's the same direction, but like, you know what I mean? It's like a little extension, I guess. Take this part. Just put it on there. Boom. Alright. Take the screw. Put the screw in. Boom. And then the GoPro goes right here. Boom. Put another screw. Alright. And it would go like this. Okay, so here it is. With the screws on. It's all tightened up. Okay. Gonna go like that. Boom. Alright, I tried it. Tried it without this little extension part right here. And just putting the little case thing straight onto here. But you can't really adjust it because it gets in the way of the screw. And this part right here. These parts get in the way, so you can't really adjust it. Anyway, just slap it on. Boom. Okay. So it's gonna look like that. Perfect. And, well, either way, I mean, you could do it from underneath. You could slide it from underneath here instead of the way I did it from the top. You could just adjust this to be on this side, you know. So whatever works for you. But in this case, well, I'm fine with this because it doesn't get in the way of the view. Okay. See? You always gotta make sure it's not gonna get in the way of your view. Because of this part. See? Doesn't get in the way. Right there. Can't fit my phone in all the way. It's too big. But that's pretty much it. You got your chin mount. It's all good. Should be good.